making the most out of its features to manage your email marketing effectively. Let's dive right in. First, head over to convertkit.com or kit.com and sign up for a free account. The free plan is available for those with up to 1,000 subscribers. And the best part is you don't need to enter your credit card information to get started. Simply fill in your details, including your name, email, password, and your business type. This information is crucial as it sets up your profile and helps personalize communication with your subscribers. Remember, it's perfectly fine to start small. You can always upgrade as your subscriber base expands. Once you've created your account, set up your profile by adding your business name and email address. This is important because it will appear on all your outgoing emails. Uploading a profile photo or your brand logo will add that personal touch and professionalism to your profile. Verification of your sending email address is also a key step. By doing this, you help ensure that your emails land in inboxes rather than getting lost in spam folders. Next up is creating a form or landing page. Navigate to the Grow section, then head over to Landing Pages and Forms and select Create New. You can choose between a form to embed directly on your website or a standalone landing page hosted by Convertkit. Customize your form or page with your brand's colors and text, making sure it aligns with your overall brand image. If you have a lead magnet, such as a free guide or checklist, connect it here to encourage signups. Organizing your subscribers with tags comes next. Tags are incredibly useful for segmenting your audience into categories like leads, customers, or webinar attendees. This segmentation allows you to send targeted and personalized emails, thereby increasing engagement. When you're ready to send your first email, go to Send, then Broadcast, and click on New Broadcast. The Convertkit email editor makes crafting your email straightforward. Add a subject line, compelling content, links, and calls to action. Decide which segments of your subscribers will receive this email and choose whether to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Creating an automated sequence is another powerful feature of Convertkit. Go to Send, select Sequences, and create a new sequence. A welcome series is a great way to start, consisting of 3 to 5 emails where you can deliver freebies, share your story, build trust, and introduce your offers. Now let's build your first automation. Navigate to Automate, select Visual Automations, and then New Automation. Choose a trigger like a new subscriber through a form and add actions such as applying a tag or subscribing them to a sequence. Once you're done, publish your automation to set your funnel in motion. Finally, tracking your results is crucial. Visit the Analytics section to review your open rates, click-through rates, and track new subscribers. Analyze this data to tweak your subject lines, content, and timing for even better engagement. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to harnessing Convertkit's full potential. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.